Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is Python built-in modules. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners, and for more videos you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would suggest you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is the 9th topic in Python Basics. Python built-in modules. Any text file with the .py extension containing Python code is basically called a module. A module looks like this. The icon has Python symbol on it. Python follows DRY approach. DRY means don't repeat yourself. While writing program, we often perform some tasks for which code already exists. So we don't need to waste our time to reinvent the wheel. We just need to reuse the code when it is required. Python built-in modules are the reusable code available in Python runtime environment. We just need to use it in our program. For example, suppose that I want to find square root of a number, let's say square root of 10. I don't need to write code from the ground up. I can just use sqrt function available in math module, which is a built-in module. Let's see this in detail. Each built-in module defines objects such as functions, classes, variables, constants, etc. These Python objects can be reused in our program. To use these objects, we need to import it using import statement followed by module name. Only then those objects will be available to our program. For example, import math, import OS, import sys. Some of the built-in functions such as print, input, int, float, list, etc. are loaded automatically into the Python interpreter shell as it starts. And we don't need to explicitly import it using import statement. Python provides plenty of built-in modules available in Python installed path or Python runtime environment. Let's see broadly how these built-in modules are organized. A collection of built-in modules are grouped into packages and subpackages. It is similar to folder structure in Windows Explorer. A collection of packages are grouped to form Python standard library. Let's walk through the Python environment. Let me navigate to the Python default path. users, HP, appdata, local, programs, Python, Python 3.9. Let's see a demo on working with few of the built-in modules such as sys, math, and calendar. Let's import sys module. Sys module provides functions and objects to manipulate different parts of the Python runtime environment. To know the directory path of all the Python modules, we can use sys.path. These are the directory path where it will search for the module when we import a particular module. To know details about the various Python objects available in a particular module, you can use this command dir of sys. So these are the objects available in sys module. Let's import OS module. So these are the objects available in OS module. Let's write a program to get the command line argument. I am using sys.argv to get input as command line arguments. Here sys.argv of 1 will get the first argument and sys.argv of 2 will get the second argument. Let's add another argument. To run this program, From Run menu, select Run Customized. Here in this text box, we can pass arguments separated by space. Now you can see that argument passed through the command line is received by the program using sys.argv. Let's import math module and perform some math operations. dir of math displays list of objects available in math module. Math.py is a constant value. Math.e is also a constant value called Euler's number. Math.sqrt method returns the square root of a given number. Math.pow method receives two float arguments, raises the first to the second and returns the result. Let's import calendar module and perform some operations. In calendar module, there is a built-in function named month, which receives two arguments, year and month, and displays the calendar for that year and month. Let's write a program to display the calendar by receiving the year and month from user input. This line gets year as integer. This line gets month as integer. Let's display the calendar for the specified year and month. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.